Hi, this is Jeremy Velbin with Memphis Turnkey Properties, and this video we're going to cover paying property taxes for your properties in Memphis, Tennessee. City taxes and county taxes. Now, your city taxes are going to be due August the 30th of any given year, and statements go out somewhere around June, approximately June, give or take a month or so. And your county taxes are going to be due February the 28th of the following year. So 2013 county property taxes would be due February 28th, 2014. You have up until that time to pay the county taxes before penalties are incurred. And statements for county taxes are going to go out somewhere around October. Now, regarding city and county taxes, not all properties have both. Some properties that are purchased are county-only taxes. These are unincorporated areas of the city. So when you're purchasing a property, make sure that you're clear on whether you're paying both city and county taxes or whether you're only going to be responsible for county taxes. And obviously for investors, county-only taxes are better in terms of cash flow because you're only paying one set of taxes. And if you're late, the penalties are somewhere around 1.5% in penalties and interest fees per month after the due date. So this is important to stay up with. Now, these are for non-escrowed purchases. So we're talking about properties that are purchased all cash or properties that are purchased that are what are called PITI mortgages. In other words, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance. For those of you who are purchasing properties and getting a mortgage, getting conventional financing on a property, typically your taxes and insurance are going to be lumped into your monthly payments and they'll be handled by your mortgage company. But for those of you who are paying all cash or maybe getting private financing on a property, you're going to be responsible for making sure that the taxes are paid each month, or I'm sorry, each year, city and county. So you're going to want to keep up with this. And we're going to show you how you can pay these online relatively simply. So let's take a look at this. City taxes, this is the website that you're going to want to go to in order to pay your city taxes online. https://epayments.memphistn.gov. So let's go ahead and go there now and show you how you do this. So here's the website. And you can see here, if you go under the section Make a Payment, it says here Pay Your Property Taxes. So you can just click on this image right here. Now you can either enter the tax bill number, the parcel number for the property, or you can put in the property owner's name or the address of the property. So let's do this for a property that I own, in this case 4684 Greco Drive. And it takes just a second for this to come up. Now you can see here that my current balance is zero because I've paid my city taxes current through the time of shooting this video. If, however, there was a balance here, there would be a button located right around here that says pay online or pay now, and you would simply click on that button and go through the process, and you could go ahead and pay your city taxes with a credit card. Pretty simple to do. Now, getting back to our presentation here, we just went over where and how to pay your city taxes. To pay your county taxes, you're going to want to go to this website right here, www.shelbycountytrustee.com. So let's go ahead and go there now. And here's the website. It looks like this. And all you do is you click on this button here where it says Pay Taxes. It'll come up, and once again you can either type in the property location or the parcel for the property, or the owner's the business name. So let's go ahead and I'm actually going to use property location. So let's go ahead and use Greco Drive again. Enter the details, click search, and you can see here that the parcel number comes up and then the entity that owns the property. Click on the parcel information. Now you can see here I have a balance due for my county taxes. This is November, and the county taxes are actually due up until February the 28th of the following year. So I've got a couple months to pay it off. But if I wanted to, I could go ahead and pay it right now. So then you just click continue, and actually put a check mark by the year that you want to pay. Then you click continue. Go ahead and enter your telephone number, and basically you just go through the steps here, and you can pay with a credit card online. It takes you 30 seconds to a minute to do this. So pretty simple. So again, for city taxes, that's the website you want to go to, epayments.memphistn.gov. And for county taxes, you're going to want to go to shelbycountytrustee.com and just follow these steps. Pretty simple. Now, when you close on a property in Memphis, when you close on the purchase of a property, you will receive a prorated tax credit on the HUD until the end of the year. This is in certain circumstances, and it is your responsibility to use this tax credit to pay the taxes due for that year promptly when they are due. Now, this has to do with when you close the property, what time of year you close, and whether the tax statement for that property has come out yet, and the closing attorney can go ahead and determine when to pay the taxes and what amount to pay. So as an example, let's go ahead and say that you close on a property in the middle of the year, June 14 in this particular case. So let's say also that hypothetically the city tax statements have been sent out, but the county tax statements have not been sent out. So in this particular case, again, you're a buyer, you purchase a property in Memphis, June 14 is your closing date. The city tax statement for that year has been sent out. The county tax statements have not been sent out. So in this case, the closing attorney is going to go ahead and pay the city taxes for you so that no outstanding taxes are due. And as a result of that, you, the buyer, are going to credit the seller a prorated portion of the city taxes from the date that you closed, June 14, to December 31. And the reason why you're going to do that is because the closing attorney is paying the balance of the city taxes due for that entire year. So since you're closing on the purchase of a property and releasing title from the seller on June 14, and the city taxes are being paid for that entire year, you technically owe the seller a prorated credit from June 14 to December 31 for the city taxes. Now, on the flip side of that, because the county statements have not been released, the seller is going to go ahead and credit you, the buyer, for the county taxes from January 1 until June 14. The reason being is because later in the year, county tax statements are going to be released that you, the buyer, are going to be responsible for come the following February, and that's for the entire calendar year of the year that you purchased the property. However, you only owned the property from June 14 until the end of the year, so the seller in that particular case is crediting you, the buyer, for the time that he owned the property from January 1 until June 14. Now, this is a little bit ambiguous. If you have any questions about this, you can contact our closing attorney, or you can contact us on our website, memphisturnkey.com, and you click the upper right-hand link which says Contact Us if you have any questions or need any clarity on this. But hopefully this video gives you a quick snapshot of how you pay your city and county taxes on properties that you purchase in Memphis that are non-escrowed and either paid all cash or paid with other private or non-conventional sources of financing. Thank you very much. This is Jeremy Veldman with Memphis Turnkey TV, and we'll see you guys in the near future.